This is how long you used to wait for a voice agent to start talking back. Most models sit around a second, which is long enough for the entire conversation to feel a little off. Now take a look at this. 192 milliseconds. That's Gemma 431B on LiveKit Inference. Let me show you how to use it. Gemma 431B is Google's open weight model. LiveKit serves a latency optimized version of it on their own infrastructure, and it's now our recommended default LLM. And because it's served on LiveKit, there's no separate provider account or second API key needed. Your LiveKit credentials are all that you need. To be clear though, the model isn't fast everywhere on its own. You saw that in the opening chart. The exact same model sourced through other inference providers is closer to 2 seconds. The 192 milliseconds is LiveKit's serving stack, not the model by itself. It's the same model, but with better plumbing. So how do you use it? Well, here is a LiveKit agent session. Your speech to text, your LLM, and your text to speech models all go here. To use Gemma 4, you just change the LLM line to Google Gemma 431B IT, and that is literally it. Let's see it in a real agent. This is a hotel receptionist running on Gemma 4. So let's talk to it.
Thank you for calling the Gilded Rose Hotel. How can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to book a room.
What dates are you looking at?
Next week, Wednesday through Friday.
Next Wednesday, July 30th to Friday, August 1?
That's right.
How many guests will be staying?
2.
I have queen 2 beds, king, double queen, a
A
suite,
king
or
would
the
be
pet.
great.
Would you prefer a city or ocean view?
Ocean.
May I have your name for the booking?
Jesse Hall.
Is that Jesse Hall?
Yes.
What's your email?
me@me.com.
Is me@me.com correct?
That's right.
And your phone number?
555-123-4567.
Is that 555-123-4567?
That's right.
I'll need a credit card to hold the room. What's the card number?
We'll stop here. It's pretty good, right? But fast is only good if it's also smart. On LiveKit's hotel receptionist eval, Gemma 4 hits 88% on overall task completion. It scores 75.6 on IFBench for instruction following, which is about even with GPT 5.5, and 76.9 on TalBench for tool use. That's frontier level. So how much does it cost? Well, 40 cents per million input tokens, 20 cents if it's cached, and $1.20 per million output. Near frontier class quality on open model prices. It's cheaper than the defaults that most voice agents use today. So give Gemma 431B on LiveKit Inference a try today. Links to the docs and quick start are in the description. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more voice AI content like this.